Welcome to myweb, your new digital home. Myweb organizes your life in spaces called webs. Want to create more than one space? Click the myweb logo to open the webs menu. Let's create a web for work. Access your webs from this menu or by swiping left and right. Now let's add items to your webs using the in-app tools. First, select your web. Next, use the text bar or click the three dots to access all your tools. For any item in your web, you can tap once for full screen, or long press for the Actions menu. Let's try adding a comment to this item. Now, let's say you want to make a collection of items in your web. Introducing web stacks. Web stacks are like folders that live inside a web. Just select your web and click this icon to create your first web stack. You can easily move around any item in my web. Just long press and select the Move option. Let's move this one to my web we just created. The best part is capturing things from any other app to myweb using Share In. Just find the Share button and choose the logo. You don't even need to leave the app you're on, and Share In works for many content formats, not just links.